Natalie, are we gonna go feed some animals?
Yep, it'll go out. Just don't touch it.
These guys.
Oh, should Daddy feed him?
No, I do.
I know, but we can't reach. Look at. Look at.
Oh.
You see him? Oh shoot. Man, look at Natalie. Oh, here. Actually, let's go like this. Here, hang on, little cow. Here, grab a handful.
Cow.
Or big cow. Here, grab a handful. I don't want to spill my water. Oh,
I dropped it.
that's okay.
It is.
Oh my gosh.
What?
Do you want to feed this camel?
No.
No.
Why
you don't
not?
want me to?
Why not?
You feed it.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I don't know about this, Colin. Feed the cow?
Oh,
Huh?
You feed him.
look at him.
Okay.
Look, there's a deer.
Can I give him some?
No, I see.
I don't like him. I'm gonna see if them want some.
Oh, he's gentle. Do you want to feed him, Natalie?
Oh, he's real gentle.
Okay.
He's just nibbling.
I like this one better than the
He's
cows.
gonna come this one.
Do you want to come over by Mommy?
No, Ma. He's gonna come by Daddy. Oh, can I throw it?
No, just put your hand out and he'll eat it from your hand.
No, can I throw it?
Don't throw it to him, honey.
him.
Natalie, do you like this? Are you having fun?
Oh, little cow.
Yeah, little cow.
I got him. I got him.
Three, I
Hey,
think.
I'm gonna feed that guy.
The ostrich? No. Stop it, honey. They like to eat from your hand.
That guy.
Natalie, what do you have?
Food.
Food for who?
The animal.
For the
Hey,
animals.
This guy wants some.
Oh my
Whoa!
gosh. Okay, back it up.
Wow! Okay, bird.
Okay, just back it up. Here.
Okay, get out. Get
Oh
out.
my gosh.
Get out.
Okay,
Get
okay.
out. Uh-oh. Not today, ostrich.
Oh,
Look at the buffalo.
I don't know about this, Colin.
Look at the buffalo.
Oh gosh. Oh God.
Oh boy.
I don't want to feed him. I don't.
Oh
okay,
boy.
okay.
Mommy's getting a kid.
Okay, actually I don't want to. Here, get out of here. Get out of here. No. Okay, move. Go move. Go, I don't like it. Go, I don't like it. Get away. God, I don't want it. He blew air on me. No. Okay, here. Okay, keep going. Just try.
Why?
No, just go. God,
Come here, buffalo.
No. I don't want
over
it
here.
anymore.
Over here. Do you want to pet him?
no.
You don't. Oh, you got the burps? You got the burps?
That's a big old buffalo, Natalie.
I am moved, okay?
Ooh.
Yeah, it's okay.
He did not want to be touched. Hi, buffalo. Here, I'm going to give him some food. Woo! Is he loud?
Yeah.
Get some napkins ready, Mom.
A bug on him.
Yeah, he's got some bugs on him.
He's safe.
Whoa! He's in my truck! He's in the truck! Get out, buffalo! Come on, buffalo. Come on, buffalo. Is that funny?
Get some food for him.
I'm getting for the next
Here.
animal.
Okay.
Okay.
Hey, are you having fun?
Mhm.
Cool. Do you like this place?
Mhm. He didn't good. He didn't cook.
Oh, sorry, camel.
Oh, there's another one. There's another one. All right, buddy.
He's a big animal.
It's a big camel.
Maybe
It's the same one.
It's the same one.
No, camel. Camel, get out of here.
Here.
Get out of here.
Here.
Throw it, Colin.
Oh, it's got my whole hand.
Oh, gross. Okay, do you want to feed that one?
Whoa, guys. Come on. Oh, he's weighing.
Oh, here. Okay. I'm just moving it so we can get by Daddy. Okay.
He's so nice. Hi, donkey. Oh. Do you want to give him some food? Oh. Natalie, look at me. Smile. Do you want to pet him? Pet him. Pet his ear. Oh, he didn't like it.
I'm not getting them some food.
Huh?
All right. Get out. No. Get out of here, bird. Ah, nope. No. Those are my fingers. Bird.
Your camera.
Whoa.
You don't want to take a
Thought you were the
picture of
little one. Jeez. Oh no, you stay back.
Hey.
Get out of my truck.
She doesn't want you
Get
to
out of my truck. Move your head. Hey.
Hey.
Who's been your favorite animal so far?
What one's your favorite?
Squirrel way back.
Squirrel way back there?
Yeah. A cow.
The cows.
Be cool, aren't
And
they?
I like the deers.
The
The
deers.
deers are cool too.
I like little big guy coming by I don't want
Are we gonna take you to
You don't have to
Yellowstone
feed 'em.
and we'll see some buffalo? Say yes, mommy.
Yes.
Mommy, you want to feed the buffalo?
Nope. Rolling up the window.
Oh, you're so mean to the buffalo. Uh-oh. I think he's coming over here. Uh-oh. He's coming over.
Scoot your feet back over by Daddy.
Oh, yeah, just use that to itch. Scratching post.
Look at baby deer over there.
Say, mommy, roll your window down.
No, thank you.
Oh,
I don't know, thank you. Mommy doesn't like the buffalo.
Roll your window down, mommy.
No, I don't
Come
want
on.
this thing, and I tried it once already.
Oh,
No,
good thing
Colin,
I
please,
got the
please.
button.
Colin, no, I'm not kidding. I don't like this thing. Colin, I'm serious. Just leave it alone. No, please don't.
Mom, say
I want
mommy.
Big old camel.
Big old camel. Where's the big old camel?
Right there.
Where?
Right there.
Right there.
A big guy. He's a little
What is he?
a cow.
Yeah, he's a cow.
He's a big guy.
A big guy,
I'm
yep.
gonna give him some. Oh, look at that guy.
Here, I'm gonna give him a little,
My.
because I like it.
I'm not. It's a
Why
little.
spit some of it out? Silly cow. He's getting. Oh, he's trying to get the whole bucket. Hey, get out of here.
Oh,
He's trying to take the whole thing.
he's literally got his.
Oh, look at Daddy's hand. Oh. Okay, lean back. Whoa.
Got it.
Okay.
There.
Can you say bye, you stinky birds?
Bio sticky boards?
Excuse me? Excuse me, Mr. Buffalo. Ugh. Here.
Oh my gosh.
Oof. I have a
No.
buffalo on my shoulder.
Oh my gosh,
Oh
Colin.
boy.
I would be dying.
Oh boy. How old are you today?
3.
Show me 3 fingers.
It's your birthday.
Hold them up. 3.